Oh my gosh, they're going up like crazy, guys. So be sure to go ahead, try it out for yourself. Get the word out about this method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get unlimited dice rolls in Monopoly Go, no jailbreak or computer needed. So let me show you guys what's going on in my account, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load. And I'm going to show you guys the game, and then we're going to become different than the other players. So as you can see, guys, my resources are going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton completely for free. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and max out, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So this is super insane, guys, as you can see right there. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So what you want to do, guys, is go to this website, generatedice.com. So if you're on an iPhone, go to settings, go to general, go to background app refresh, and make sure that's on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. This really does not matter, but make sure it is on one of those. So once you've done that, guys, all we're going to do is go to battery and make sure low power mode is turned off. You know it's on because the battery percentage is going to be yellow. So make sure low power mode is turned off. Then go to App Store and turn on the automatic downloads. So once you've done that, you're going to be all set. So all we got to do now is go to the browser, and you want to go to this website, generatedice.com. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So generatedice.com. So once you're on the site, guys, what you want to do is just go ahead and choose how much money in dice rolls you want to add to your account. So they are pretty good with their amounts. You can actually get a really small amount or a really big amount. So I'm just going to go for the max, and then I'm going to do the same for the money. So I'm going to do 25 million. And now it's going to ask me for my username and to select my platform. So let me just go ahead and put in my username right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it in. And then I just have to go ahead and select my platform. And then I'm just going to go ahead and press proceed. And now we're just going to wait for it to ask us to generate. And now we're just going to press generate, and we're just going to wait for it to load. So let's just give it a second here as you guys can see. So I'm just going to let it load. All right, it's just like checking that we're human and everything like that. So pretty easy. But anyways, once it reaches the end, it's going to say suspicious activity. You have to verify your account, so press verify. And all we have to do is download some of these apps and complete the instructions. They're totally free, and they're from the official App Store. So we're just going to go ahead and download some of these apps. As you can see, there's a ton of them, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and let's do the iHeartRadio. So it's going to take me to the App Store. And I'm going to go ahead and download the app. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back onto the list of apps and download another app. You want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So the first one started downloading, so now I'm going to go ahead and go back onto the list and download another one. So for that, I'm going to do TikTok. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to download the app. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me here, as you guys can see. All right, so we'll just give it a second. All right, let's just let it load. And now I'm going to go to the home screen and just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So let's just go to the home screen and see if they're done. So the radio's done, so I'm going to open it up. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, like touching around, whatever. You don't have to do anything too crazy, guys. So let me just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. So I'm just going to sign up, and I'm just going to go ahead and put in my email. All right. So I'm just going to type this in right here so you guys can see. All right. So let me just put that in. Super cool. All right. Let me just do that. Now I just got to put in the password. All right. And then birth year. And let me just type this in. Zip code. All right. So there we go, guys. So I'm pretty much done with the iHeartRadio. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the other app, which is the TikTok. So let me just do that one right here. So with this app, it's the same thing, guys. You just want to do some basic interactions, like touching around, whatever. You don't have to do anything too crazy, guys, and you should be all good to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right here, as you guys can see. All right. Just pressing around. Super easy, guys. I mean, there's literally nothing to it. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right here. All right, just like scrolling around. So we're pretty much done, guys. So let's open up the game and see if we're rich, guys. I don't know if it works, but let's go ahead and find out. So I'm going to open up the game right here, and nothing happened. It broke. Oh my gosh, they're going up like crazy, guys. So be sure to go ahead, try it out for yourself. Get the word out about this method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. Super, super cool. So if this tutorial worked for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it and just get the word out about this method, guys, because it is super awesome, and I've had literally 0 problems with this method. So hope you guys liked the video. Definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. See you later. Peace out.